To set a reminder on an iPhone, you can use the built-in Reminders app. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to open the Reminders app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the bottom left corner of your screen. New reminder. Enter the details of your reminder, including the title and any additional notes or details. Birthday Lisa. It's perfect for birthdays. Oh, here it is. Okay. If you want to set a specific date and time for the reminder, you can open the details page. On the details page, you can set the date and time for the reminder. The date is on Lisa's birthday, so next week. The time early in the morning, because we have to congratulate Lisa. And here you can choose if you want to repeat a reminder, hourly, daily, in this case, yearly, of course. And you can choose if you want to end repeat and set a date for. You can add a location. Maybe if you set a reminder for a party, then you can also set a location so you don't forget. You can select when messaging. Selecting when messaging will show the reminder notification when chatting with a person in messages. Here you can set your priority. Is it low, medium, or high? You will see it back in the reminders list. And you can also add an image and then you click on add. And then you go to reminders. And here you see birthday Lisa. And you can see the high priority by the exclamation marks. And the reminder will now appear in your Reminders app, and you will also receive notifications at the specified date and time. If you want to delete a reminder, you can swipe to the left. Or you can also choose to flag and see the details again. Maybe you want to change the details or delete. Here you can delete, and then your reminder is gone. You can also set reminders using Siri by activating Siri and saying something like, set a reminder for task on date at time. And remember that these instructions are based on the default Reminders app on iOS. If you are using a different app for reminders, the steps may vary slightly.